Hello and welcome to an Iboco product demonstration video. Today we are going to learn how to quickly and effectively install a wire duct cover. With Iboco housing the largest inventory in North America of quality wire duct, DIN rail, and wire management products, in this video we are concentrating on how to install the wire duct cover. To simplify the purchasing process, we include the cover in the price and in the same packaging as our wire duct. The North American wire duct manufacturers have separate pricing and part numbers, adding extra steps to the purchasing process. When you price the Iboco wire duct family, remember that the cost of the cover is always included. Additional covers are available if needed. The Iboco covers now come with a lock-in-place membrane on the inside of the cover. This helps keep the cover in place during vibration from machine, transportation, or vertical placement. Our recommended approach to securing the cover to the duct fingers is to snap on instead of sliding. The best way to snap on is to bend the fingers in and place the cover over like so. Removal can be done the same way by pinching the fingers in and removing the fingers out from the cover like so. Once you have done this a few times, you will be a pro. Thanks for tuning in, and check out the rest of our Iboco product videos to learn more about how we can help you build a smarter panel.